Hey guys, today I'm reviewing the InMotion C10, a dual-motor electric scooter built specifically for everyday city riding. So let's open up the box and see how it works. Charging cable. Here's the scooter itself. And there, just locks in place. So you just put that over top of this little pin here, and then you're all set. And then you just gotta screw on the handlebars. Try and get it onto this pole here. And then you just take the two screws that it comes with and you just screw them in here. And once it's tightened, your handlebars are ready to go. Only thing is sometimes it can get in the way of the throttle here, so you just gotta be careful and just make sure that's out of the way. Kind of a weird design choice, but that's fine. So let's check it out and see how it works. The InMotion C10 isn't trying to be a flashy, high-speed performance scooter, but instead it's a practical daily machine that you won't have to break the bank for. Its standout feature is the fact it uses dual motors instead of one. This gives you stronger torque and up to 30% hill climbing ability, which means it's actually built for the terrain people face every day, like ramps, hills, and those gradual inclines that slow weaker scooters down. With dual motors, the ride feels smoother, traction feels more confident, and it won't struggle on inclines. It comes with front and rear suspension, paired with 10-inch pneumatic tires. That combination is huge for city riding, as they absorb cracks, bumps, and rough pavement. So instead of feeling every vibration through the deck, the suspension actually works to smooth things out, making longer rides more enjoyable. For a scooter at this price, dual suspension is a standout feature. There's also 3 different levels of speed that you can choose from. And speaking of speed, the C10 tops out at 21.8 miles per hour. So it's fast enough to keep pace with urban flow, but not so fast that new riders feel intimidated. And with 24.9 mile range, you can handle daily commutes, errands, and more without constantly worrying about recharging, giving you more peace of mind. But it's also easy to charge right back up with the included charging cable. It also uses a triple braking system, which gives you more control when you're dealing with downhills, intersections, or stop-and-go traffic. And on top of that, the scooter has front and rear lights, plus handlebar turn signals. Which is a big deal for visibility and communication, especially during evening rides or low light commutes. And because city weather isn't always friendly, the C10 comes with IPX5 water resistance, so you can handle splashes and light rain, which is essential if you're using it as a daily commuter. InMotion understands who this scooter is for. It's built for new riders, short distance commuters, campus travel, and neighborhood riding. It's not trying to compete with high performance models, and instead, it focuses on the features that matter most for everyday use. At $599, the C10 positions itself as a value-focused dual-motor scooter, something that gives you more capability than entry-level models without jumping into the premium category. Overall, the C10 feels like a smart, well-balanced electric scooter. So if you're looking for a daily ride that's stable, then definitely check out the InMotion C10 electric scooter today. And you guys can find out more about it in the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.